Hello, my name is Altaf. So today is the sixth day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about the middlewares in Node.js. So briefly, we will talk about the Node.js and then we will talk about middlewares. So Node.js is nothing but open source runtime environment, server environment. So which is used to make APIs and interacting with databases, and basically it's server side planning or server side app or website which is used to make server. So Node.js is basically used to making APIs, interacting with databases, and making server side. So this is all about the Node.js, and it's working on JavaScript. So you can tell this is JavaScript environment, which is built on the Chrome V8 version. So now we talk about the middlewares. So basically, middleware is nothing, but when we talk about middlewares, as name suggests, that it's between the middle. Like when we make a request, then middleware will be executed, then the response will come. Or middleware can be as defined as first middleware, then it can be a last middleware, or it can be next, it can be redirect the execution part to the next middleware. So just like that, why we use middleware. So just like if we want to validate the username or password, or if we want to make the middleware for the logs and errors catching, and we want to use middleware for uh, checking status of IP addresses and checking status of requests. So requests. So it's used to middleware. So middleware is used to between the request and response. Just like middleware will be can be called as that the middleware has access of request and then response. It's all about the request and response has access of to the middleware. The middleware can be used to access something and validate tokens. If we use the JSON token or authentication, or middleware can be used to authorize the role-based access system, like uh, what which is going to the making request, like that they are user or they are writer or they are admin. So it can be validate on the server side by middlewares. So it's all about the middleware, how middleware works. When we make a request, it will be go to the middleware, then the if middleware validate all the stages, then it will redirect to the next stage. So it's three parameter: request, response, or next parameter. So it can be used to modify the request bodies, like what is in the body. We can modify, we can access what is in the body, and we can send the response by middlewares. So this is middleware. Middleware is the best or better things in middleware. So we use middleware. Middleware is used to make our app or website very efficient, or very for formative type, or we can access the errors by middleware. So we can check that what's wrong going on the website. So for this also can be used the middlewares. So basically we use the authentication type of middleware, authorization middleware, or logs middleware, or we use middleware to access something like request, what is the request bodies, what is the request queries. That type of thing can be accessed by the middleware. So that's all about the middleware. In future we will make our full video on the middleware. So that's all. Thank you.